Good morning again, boys and girls. Time for a little bit of phonics work. In order to get our brains ready to hear and manipulate those sounds and words, let's try switching out some of the beginning sounds of words, but these are going to be with blends. So listen carefully. What is the word deep if it were to start with sl? Sleep. What is the word boat if it were to start with full? Float. What is the word look? What would it be if it started with bruh? So look if it were to start with bruh. Brook. Very good. And how about just if it were to start with trust? And the last one, what would the word make be if it were to start with flake? Aren't you glad there are no snowflakes falling today? I certainly am. Well, friends, I'm going to move myself over here a little bit, and I want you to look carefully at me. And here is our goat who had the OA vowel pattern in the middle. And when you say goat, you hear O. You hear that long O sound. So when I say a word that you hear O in, I want you to give me one O, just like in goat. But remember our friend Mr. Moose, he has two O's in his spelling pattern, but he makes the sound ooh, the ooh sound. So when I say a word that has ooh, I want you to give me two O's. So if you hear O in a word, give me one O. If you hear ooh, give me two. Okay, here's your first word, room. 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 That was a double O. How about the word soap? Soap. That was one. What about the word goat? Goat. Well, you know that one. One O. How about the word loon, the Minnesota state bird? Loon. Loon. That's a double. How about the word soon? It will be summer vacation very soon. Soon. Two O's. It has that ooh sound. How about the word float? Mrs. Tierney likes to float in the pool. Float. Oh, I heard an O there. How about the word booth? Booth. Some restaurants have a booth to sit in. Booth. That's two O's. And how about the word load? I have a load of laundry waiting for me. Load. That was the O. And how about the word toot? Toot, toot goes the train. Ooh, two O's. Very good. Well, friends, this activity you will be able to find in Seesaw today, and I want to go over what the name of the pictures are. You're going to see up here for the directions that if you hear the two O, the ooh sound, you'll circle it in purple. But if you hear the spelling pattern of OA with the sound of O, it will be circled in green. So our pictures are moon, coat, spoon, toad, tooth, toast, boat, and balloon. So what is this guy? Toad. This is a balloon. And this right here is toast. This is not a jacket. It is a coat. Coat. So friends, good luck circling them in either purple or green, and make sure that you send it back into me in Seesaw. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.